Oh darn, I missed the tide. It's heading the wrong way. I might be able to get up against the current. We'll see. In the middle of the river, the current's moving faster than I can paddle. But maybe if I stick to the sides, I can sneak upstream. Oh, my hands are so cold. All right. Check out that eagle. A bunch of pink salmon right there. Look at that. I think I made it to the lake that feeds the river. Now it's hard to see with all this fog, but there's an enormous glacier falling into this lake somewhere over there. I just gotta see if I can find a way through all this ice. Oh, that'll buff out. I gotta be careful going in between these icebergs.